welcome to the Paper Cup Travels Carry-On Edition. Today we are at a quick layover at the Parco dei Principi in Bari, Italy, staying in suite number 310. As you enter, you will need to put your key into the wall in order to get power, and everything fires up, including the TV. And when you enter, the room is a little bit small, but it is enough for a quick layover to help you prepare for your meetings and just refresh before a presentation. The minibar does have a few pops and refreshments should you wish, if you were too tired to go out and grab something from the bar downstairs. And a nice area where you can prepare for your meetings. The wardrobe is where the safe is kept, along with some amenities to tidy up your clothes. But it is nice to have the safe, especially if you're going out for the evening and just want to make sure your passport and such is secure. Then washroom comes with your basic amenities. It's very clean, very crisp, and it's actually quite nice to get ready in such a modern renovated shower. Gives you that little boost of confidence before your meetings. Thank you for watching this Paper Cup Travels Carry-On Edition of the Parco dei Principi. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.